On this episode of the Miniac Auto Club, what has 4 times the horsepower of a Mini JCW and probably costs 4 times as much? Well, if you're watching this video, you guessed it. Chevrolet has unleashed the new Corvette Zr1, and along with an aggressive exterior look, it comes with some pretty impressive specs. The Corvette Zr1 features a 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged dual overhead cam flat plane crank V8, which has been dubbed the LT7. The LT7 produces 1,064 horsepower and 828 pound-feet of torque, the most power ever from a factory Corvette, and the most powerful V8 ever produced in America. Very impressive numbers indeed. The Corvette Zr1 has an estimated top speed of 215 miles per hour and can complete the quarter mile in under 10 seconds. On top of that, this car has a carbon fiber aero package that produces over 1,200 pounds of downforce at top speed. This is thanks to the ZTK Performance Package, which adds an aggressive, high downforce rear wing, front dive planes, and a tall hood gurney lip. Underneath, the underbody strakes replace the standard front underwing stall gurney to increase front downforce. The suspension tuning included in the ZTK package incorporates stiffer springs and adds Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. Controlling the ZR1's impressive power is a new braking system. The brake package uses a revolutionary carbon ceramic rotor manufacturing technology to yield increased durability and reduced brake component temperatures. The front rotors measure 15.7 inches in diameter, and the rear rotors measure 15.4 inches in diameter. These new front rotors are the largest ever equipped on a Corvette. In just 24.5 seconds, the Corvette Zr1 goes from 80 miles per hour to 200 miles per hour and back to 80, 22% quicker than the C7 Zr1 and 53% quicker than the C6 Zr1. Along with this, the Zr1 revives an iconic feature from Corvette history, the split rear window. This feature was last seen on the C2 generation Corvette and was previewed on the Corvette Z06 GT3R race car. While it serves as a statement piece, the carbon fiber spine between the 2 rear windows is available in exposed weave carbon fiber or body color and provides increased heat extraction from the engine compartment. The Corvette Zr1's cockpit dials up the details, notably with unique Zr1 badging found on an interior plaque, the sill plates, and steering wheel. A new finishing stitch pattern for the doors, specific to the Zr1, is available on the 3LZ trim. A boost gauge is also present. New colors are available including Competition Yellow, Hysteria Purple, and Sebring Orange. Additionally, other details like full-length racing stripes, brake caliper colors including an exclusive blue for the calipers, seatbelt colors, and more will also be available. Quite the options list. Looks like when it comes to fun performance cars with infinite options, Corvette puts itself up there with Porsche. And while yours truly may never get the chance to own or even drive one of these, you can be sure I'm drooling right along with you all. And until next time, this is your forever fan of the Mini brand signing off.